I made 50K in 1 weekend just using OpenClaw. Yeah, that sounds unbelievable. That's because it probably is. I'm not here to sell you a pipe dream. This is how you actually make money with OpenClaw. Now, there are plenty of viral videos out there of creators talking about how they used OpenClaw to print money in their sleep, and while I'm sure it worked for them, there's a lot they aren't saying. From security issues to high costs, there are too many ways to lose out. So, if you want to learn the real profitable and efficient solution that nobody is talking about, here it comes. Now, rather than setting up an army of bots to make crypto trades while you sleep, crack open your claw and sell what makes it work: your setup files. What took you a couple of hours might be taking someone else days to complete, and they'll still be struggling with bugs at the end of it. Honestly, for every OpenClaw fan, there are another 10 people who have torn their hair out trying to get OpenClaw to work. Even with managed wrappers like Hostinger's managed OpenClaw, there's a lot of work up front to get your agent to a place where it's really working on its own. And we both know there are people willing to pay to skip that part. So, you're going to create a package deal that's made up from the core files of your OpenClaw agent: SoulMD, AgentsMD, and your pre-installed skills stack. You can do this with as many agents as you like, customizing their soul and identity docs to create distinct personalities. With the personality and agent rules already configured, plus any skill that will help it run smoothly, all you need to do is add a setup doc that walks the buyer through how they can get it live on their own VPS. You could even charge a little extra for hand-holding via a live video or a consultation call, so your clients actually have the troubleshooting help they need. Now, the hard part after that comes with marketing your newest product. So I would make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more advice on all things e-commerce and digital marketing. Now, if you do any client-facing work, OpenClaw can be the fastest way to blow past your blockers and get on track to earning a lot more money in a lot less time, and then selling that solution to someone else. Think for a second about where your time actually goes. For example, as a content creator, I spend a lot of my time on YouTube researching keywords and content ideas. Actually, I spend more time doing that than sitting in front of the camera. It's what keeps our content competitive, but sometimes I wonder if I could build an OpenClaw agent that could do all that keyword stuff for me. It would clear up at least 3 hours in my own day. Time that I can spend coming up with new ideas for short form content, filming, or just doing nothing at all. This is the kind of pain point you're looking for. The idea here is to define the workflow once and then have the agent do its thing. Now, whether that's an automated workflow that pulls trending topics in my niche, or programming OpenClaw to search YouTube to run a competitor's AdSense directly for me. In the last section, you build the agent. This time, you're building the workflow. For this to work, identify the repetitive pain point in your own workflow and try to create a solution for it within OpenClaw, and then sell that solution to anyone having the same pain point. You could also browse Reddit to find what other small business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs are complaining about, and then build the solution for them. Again, this works just like a download. Sell a PDF listing the skills they need, the exact prompts you use to get the workflow going, and a few troubleshooting tips. Add on a paid upgrade for live help, and you might not be printing money in your sleep, but you're definitely leveraging your own expertise to make money with OpenClaw. Sell these where you'd find any other downloadables, Gumroad being the easiest starting point, but you could also set up your own website with Hostinger and not pay any of the commission fees. I left a little code in the description below. And yes, in case you are wondering, you could also take care of the whole setup for the client. But there's a little catch I don't particularly like. A team of agents might make you $55,000 in a weekend, but it could cost you twice as much to run it. Before you build anything, especially if you're building for a client, you need to understand how much it's going to cost you. Now, OpenClaw might be free, but tokens and hosting certainly aren't. And unmonitored automations can quietly inflate your bills very quickly. The fix is pretty simple. Use basic models for routine tasks and check your logs before you ship out new agents. Now remember to keep track of your API costs from a dashboard, whether that's in Hostinger's hPanel or in Anthropic's console, and use benchmarks to figure out how much your bot is going to cost. If you want more tips on how to keep your OpenClaw costs under control, make sure to check out this video, and I'll have it linked at the end of the video for you. OpenClaw can make you money, but if you ask me, the best way to do that is by using OpenClaw as leverage. You know how to use OpenClaw, you spent the time troubleshooting your own bot, now use that knowledge for your own bank account. To make sure that you're not losing out on all these profits, watch this next, and I'll see you there.